We draw green energy from nature. Explore the path to a green future. Kian Packaging, to the prosperity road ahead. In this land of infinite possibilities, Kiyang is committed to creating a sustainable future through innovative packaging solutions, pursuing the environmentally friendly paper products, and has obtained a series of certificates. We are committed to leading with innovation and technology across our core business areas, paper bags and boxes. Our mission is to create more value for our customers through excellence in every aspect of our operations, from production to distribution. We select and manage raw materials efficiently for eco-friendly packaging, boosting market competitiveness. It takes us 20 days to complete a 140-foot container. Central to our growth is a dedication to top-notch product quality, from selecting raw paper to advanced processes like printing, embossing, stamping, and die cutting. Embossing, hot foil creasing, all in one machine. Different types of automatic bag making machines can produce small, medium, and large size paper bags. The bag width that the machine can make is 105 to 580 millimeters. We have a range of testing equipment to ensure quality. Our streamlined one-stop service supports the sustainable evolution of our products, satisfying and surpassing customer expectations. We have consistently earned the trust and support of our customers by delivering exceptional quality and service. We cooperate with the brand win-win development. We foster innovation, integrate quality, and promote sustainability for a greener future.